Assalamu alaikum everyone. Again, I found a very amazing site for all of you. You can see it's a class notes. I found these notes on internet, and I believe they are good for you to learn your synonyms or very important questions. So let's start reading the question. Today we will work on your exercise of chapter number 4. So stirred is to stimulate, to roast something. You can also read the Urdu of it. I'll also read it for you. Okay. मुतहरिक करना, किसी को stimulate करना, उभारना, motivate करना. Aroma is a smell. It is specially used for some eatable or some eatable stuff like aroma of tea, aroma of coffee, aroma of food. So it is khushbu, it is smell. So every word has its own connotation that must be used accordingly. I mean, you have to read it. Tangled is twisted, knotted, उलझा हुआ. Permanent, stability, durability, मुस्तकबिल और यानी strong होना, the long lasting type something. Predictable is guessable. I mean, you can patient गोई करना, and you can guess what is going to happen next. Colleague, follow or co-worker mostly. I mean, someone is my colleague. Like I have colleagues who are teaching with me at same institution. Board, get living a room, रिहाइश लेना. Board, you must have heard boarding house or something like this. Wave mean move करना. Signal, ledge is ridge पहाड़ी का निकला हुआ हिस्सा. Hasten, hurry, जल्दी करना. Wrench, sprain, that is मोच जो आपके टखना आपका जब मुड़ जाता है आपका पाँव, तो you feel that pain. Rescued, हेल्प करना, बचा लेना. relish, linking, at home, at ease. um, monstrous, horrible, खौफनाक. Here he has used monstrous for the movement of modern women that they started for their own writing, right? reprehensible is rejectable, यानी इसको reject कर देना, ना accept करना, accept ना होना. vague is obscure, unclear, ठीक है, गैर वाज़ेह. formulate, devise, form, तश्कील करना, बनाना. timid means shy, reluctant, शर्मीला. chivalry means gentlemanliness, शराफत. encounter means meet by chance. turn the table, change the matter, उलट हो जाना. steep, vertical, reveal, disclose. governance, female teacher. out of job, jobless होना. ठीक हो गया. So you have read all these antonym or synonym. Okay, now I will read its short questions. So the question number 1 is, how did Catherine and Chips meet? Okay, so only 2 to 3 questions are important. Or you can see, what is the most interesting or remarkable incident in the novel Goodbye, Mr. Chips? So it is the first meeting with Catherine because she had changed his ideas. One day, climbing on Great Gable, Chips, noticed a girl waving excitedly from a dangerous-looking ledge. Thinking she was in difficulty, he hastened towards her, but in doing so, slipped himself and wrenched his ankle. As it turned out, she was not in difficulty at all, but she merely signaling to a friend farther down the mountain. She was an expert climber, better even Chips. She was pretty good in that. Even Chips was good, but she was better than Mr. Chips, you see. Thus, he found himself the rescued instead of rescuer. So, the important line that is taken from the text. Her name was Catherine Burgess, you can say, sorry. He was 25, young enough to be his daughter. So, you see, she is half of his age. He is 48. She was 25, young enough to be his daughter. She had blue, flashing eyes and freckled cheeks and smooth straw-colored hair. So this is the physical appearance of Catherine. What is the importance of spring 1896? I want you people think about it, recall why this is important. I mean, I mentioned earlier when I started reading the chapter number 4, I mentioned it as well, because this is the time when Chips met with his wife. The spring of 1896 was the great significance for Chips. During the spring season, he went to Lake District with his friend Rowdin, and his friend returned due to some family affair or business, you see, personal issues. But Chips stayed there. He met Catherine accidentally, whom he married later. So this is why it is important. Compare Chips and Catherine. Oh, first of all, they both are opposite. As we discussed in chapter number 4, they have entirely different natures. I mean, one is modern, one is prejudiced, one is neutral, one has one's own ideas, and the other has others' own ideas. So there are a lot of things that are different between both of them. But when it comes to comparison, less factors are same between Chips and Catherine. Let's see what these chapters characteristics are. Chips was a conventional person. He did not like the freedom of women. His ideas were comprehensive. Chips never felt at ease in the company of women. On the other hand, Catherine was totally opposite to Chips. In ideas, she was a modern woman and supported the freedom of women. She had radical visual in politics. So you see why the role of Catherine is important, because it symbolizes all those women who has courage but not enough to raise voice. So that's all about today. We have completed chapter number 4. Inshallah, coming week we will read chapter number 5, and then we'll do its exercise as well. If you have any questions, same here, you may ask me in context. Meanwhile, take care and Khuda Hafiz.